Shelby.
I like that.
Hi. Wow, it's really original. Shelby from Shelbyville. I know, I'm so original. Let's show everybody your.
I like it because then you can
Look at your
remember.
teeth.
Then they can
These
remember
teeth.
where
Wait,
they're
let's look at
from.
your underbite. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Phil's pretty bad, but he has that funny Cheshire cat grin. And the one
Hi,
lip
Pumpkin.
catches on the one tooth.
Hi.
Oh, and he ate his Cisco scarf, at least half of it.
Oh, brother.
So that's probably something that was in him.
Isn't she sweet? Look how
Very,
sweet.
very.
Come here. Are you a hugger? Oh, she's like the black and white version of Nancy.
Oh,
Nancy Pants. This is how Nancy is. Very sweet, except you need to wag your tail. Look at how filthy. Gross. Nipples. We've got nipplage.
they're cute. They're all back up to normal.
She's
you know?
definitely had a litter. Yeah. How are her ears?
Oh, she's beautiful.
You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Yes, you are.